Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I finished off the threads on those two plates. I did the male thread, which was like a template. I stroke cut the internal threads. I showed quite a bit of that. You can see how I got on with that. The first thing I'm going to do is the draw for the Moore and Wright internal micrometer. There's quite a few names came in this week. But the last 2 weeks haven't been claimed, the last 2 gel gauges, so they could be going to get raffled again. Right, name we've got for the Moore and Wright internal micrometer is Farrington Lee. Farrington Lee. As usual, all you have to do, send me an email with your address. I'll get that posted out to you anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. I'm going to do another giveaway this week. This time it's for 3 sets of calipers, internal and external. These are nice ones. They've got a little bit of surface rust on, but they're actually starred. They'll clean up beautiful. I got them at a car boot sale. And there's also, I found a set of dividers just to make the setup. These are still used. I've got some. I use them all the time. They can be very accurate indeed. Like I say, a little bit of time and patience on them with some Scotch-Brite and they'll clean up very nice. If you want a chance to win a name, all you have to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there. Your email contains your full name, like John Mills, not just John. It goes in the bucket, it's drawn out, I'll post them off. I mean, I bought these to give them away. I don't need them. I've got some I use, and I've got some absolutely brand new ones that are too good to use, so it's pointless just putting another set in the drawer, you know. I've seen people have a drawer with 40 and 50 sets of them, and what for? You can only use one, you know. And if you win them and you've already got some, give them to somebody else that wants them. These are the calipers for this week's giveaway. Internal, external, and a set of dividers. As I say, there's surface rust on them, but a little bit of Scotch-Brite and some light oil. It wouldn't take much to bring these back up to being in really good condition again. Just a little bit of time and patience. Well worth spending the time on because they are quality. When you compare them with some of the import ones, there's just no comparison. That's actually nicely shaped, got a nice shape about them. There'll probably only be one nightcap this week. It's actually Friday night now. I'm recording this on Friday night, ready for Sunday, because I'm going away to a steam rally with Richard at Chipping near Preston. So as you're watching this, I'm probably standing in a beer tent somewhere with a bunch of scruffy lads talking about steam engines. I've tacked the 2 bits of plate together, which means I can screw cut them both in one go. It also means I can make a balance them both in one go as well, but hopefully we'll get them screw cut. I've just drawn the corners in centre poplets so I can set it up in a 4-jaw chuck, get a hole in there and get some threads in. I'm just going to use that tailstock centre to get it somewhere near. I'm going to rest it on these 2 jaws and hopefully there'll be enough clearance on between the jaws for the boring tool to go straight through. If I nip that up just to hold it, that's where it's going to be. If we take it out, there is indeed enough clearance so I can just bore straight through. And that jaws, there's a good 10mm there. Right. Right, we'll put a clock on it and see how near it is. Ought to be pretty near now, I think. Then what we'll do is find the hydro, which is that one. Tighten that up a little bit. Hydro again, which is between these two. High one is that one. Right, that's where the thou. Just make sure all the doors are indeed, in fact, tight, which they are. Nice to see a well-sharpened drill working, using buttons off both pieces of the drill. Right, that's 1.25 inch hole through. Nice to see a machine doing what it was designed to do, remove metal. And get the boring bar in there, no problem. It always pays you to make sure you've got plenty of clearance between the chuck and the carriage, which there is, and the chuck and the tool press. Won't no nasty collisions or catastrophes. There's very pleasant looking strips are coming out of there. Nasty stringy bastard things. And I put a different tool in. That's having a much better effect. The chips are much more controllable. Put the really good finish in there as well. Right, we're getting somewhere near the size now. It's just about there. Right, we've got a 2mm tip in here, set dead on centre height. That puts it square into the job. Touched it off there. Once again, I'm just going to go straight in with this, no compound feed. That's a reasonable speed to cut. I don't want to go too fast. Not in a hurry, I just want to get it done right. First cut. And at least the tool can go right out through the back of the job. I haven't got to worry about it running into the chuck. There you go. Have a quick look with the screw cutting gauge just to make sure. Spot on 2mm. Once the tool comes through the back of the job, you can hear it and see it as well. Stop it, 0, back out again to 0, a little wee bit of cut, splash of oil. Once again, wait for the indicator to come round onto a 0. Onto a whole number or that. Right, start where it won't go in, so we need to take some off of it. Taking some cuts on the same setting just to take any spring out of the job. Surprising how much things actually flex. One more, and we'll see if things are going to screw together. That's not bad. I wish I hadn't taken that spring cut. It's a little bit slacker than I would have liked, but it's a nice big coarse thread. I'm sure that'll do the job for him. So to make that thread, which is the same as that, it's actually a plate for a press. I've had to make that as a gauge to cut that thread. Anyway, you can see that's quite a nice sharp thread, nice and clean. Those inserts really do a good job, and this is not very good quality plates. I'll leave them welded together and it's up to him to get them apart, or he might, I think one's a spare, so he might leave them both welded together and use a complete plate like that. Hi, my name's John, welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. You're sitting watching this nightcap on a Sunday night, and I'm actually sitting probably in a beer tent at a steam rally at Preston, because I'm recording this on Friday night, which is now. Now's Friday night. I'm recording this to be played on Sunday night when I would be here. Really.